we've talked about master data management and why that is so important today, especially in MDM powered by AI. Could you give us a couple thoughts around that, what you're seeing?
The thing that we are addressing at Digital Wave, because I feel so strongly about it, is that, AI has to have a foundation that is rock solid. Think of it as AI is only as good as the data it runs on. And if you have different silos, you can be repeating that data in 10 different locations with 10 different types of attributes, and the data is not necessarily clean, it's inconsistent. And so what master data management does is and I think you need to start there, it first of all allows you to provide clean and consistent data across the entire enterprise. The other thing that I believe is that the traditional master data management, frankly, boring, sitting in IT somewhere. And what's happening now is that there is master data management that is AI native. And what that means is that you've got AI built into the foundation. So you're creating the single source of truth across your entire enterprise with one golden record. Think of it that way. So that your customer data, your product data, your pricing, your descriptions, everything, there's one place. And that master data management system automatically deduplicates, cleans the data, makes sure there's no misspellings, makes sure that everything is just right before you then try to add AI to merchandising, marketing, and so forth. So I think that's a huge issue that a lot of people miss. They start putting AI on top of different solutions, but their underlying data is messy in the first place. And Gartner provided a study that said that if you can do this right, data errors, if you don't do it right, data errors cost about 15 to 25% of revenue. If just in the sense of trying to find where all the problems are. So I'm a big believer in automating with a clean data foundation at the beginning.